Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is ZULQARNAIN MUNIR and I'm from Group 7. Today is the day where I was assigned to finish the activity 3. So, in this activity, we need to choose a topic for informative speech and also give reasons as to why we chose it. So after a lot of amount browsing through the web, I decided to choose about the communication disorder. Why I chose communication disorder? The reason is because this topic is actually I can relate it with it, and I can think I can make a connection with the people who have this who have this disorder. As I've told before in activity 1, I am a shy and timid person and quite introverted. So I have a problem to start and carry on a conversation, especially with someone new or someone I barely know. So for the people with communication disorder, try to imagine the problem that I have, which is to create and to prolong the conversation and spice it up with something more extreme. That is actually what the people with this disorder are dealing with every single day in their life. A communication disorder is an impairment in the ability to receive, send, process, and comprehend concept of verbal, non-verbal, and graphic symbol system. Nowadays, there is a lot of misunderstanding going on with quiet people in the class or society. People around them say that they are smart, proud, or arrogant. It's actually not that simple. Some people have their own reason, and if that people have communication disorder, can't you see how this nasty remark that are being thrown to them can affect their mental health? It's not like the people with this condition choose to not speak up or have a conversation, but in fact the truth is they cannot, or it is hard for them to hold the conversation. So with this, I think by talk about this topic, I can create some awareness to the public for them to understand the person with this disorder. So with this, I think this topic of speech can create some awareness to the public to better understand the people with communication disorder. I think this topic are actually quite broad. By choosing a broad topic like this, I have the flexibility to pave my own speech with a more focused intention to deliver to the audience. I can have the topic to turn to how to cope with communication disorder, which is to focus to audience with this disorder, or what is communication disorder, to focus on to the more general public audience. For the how to cope with the communication disorder, I can talk about the ways to cope, the ways to talk with confidence, the ways to talk step by step, and ways to have a conversation or to hold a conversation. As for the more general public with the title of What is Communication Disorder, I can talk about the trait of the disorder, the important to discover disorder early, the effect of this disorder to children if not discovered early, and what can be expected from someone who have this disorder. These topic sources or material can also be easily found on the internet. There is a bunch of reliable sources that can be used as material to strengthen up the speech, such as from the American Speech Language Hearing Association website and St. Louis Children's Hospital website. Based on the reasoning I have stated before, I think the topic of the communication disorder have much more potential to be explored, and I think it is great to create awareness for the better world. That's all from me. Thank you.